Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add someone on Snapchat without it saying by search. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to the search page by clicking on search icon. Here, search for someone and tap to open it. Then, click on three dots. Now tap on Send Profile to. Copy the link from here. Next, go to your web browser. Paste the copied link here. So click on Open in Snapchat. All you need to do is click on Add Friend. And you are all done. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.